Well, there's my kayak. I think I'll get it ready, and me and Don going fishing. In fact, that's him right over there if you can see him. Yeah. Hardest part one of these kayaks for an old man. He's getting in them. Actually, getting out's the hard part. Well, I made it. There's Don. He said he had a fish, but as you can see, there's nothing on there. I didn't get him on film, all of it, but that was nice. Yeah, a nice one for a fly rod. Yeah. There we go. There's a bass. Not a big one, but there's a bass. Ooh. There we go. Right on the edge is the brush. There's another one. There's another one. Oh, that's a pretty nice bluegill. That's a nice, can't reach it, but it's a nice bluegill. Yeah. I'll have time to keep that going. But this might be a catch and release day. Well, it ain't big, but it's a bass. We fished this like last year. I thought they'd maybe a little bigger this year, but I guess not. I don't know how Don's doing. There's a gill. Little bass. I always did like jigs. Right in the green stuff. Ooh, oh, a little nicer. Ooh. A little nicer one here, Don. Look at that. Yeah, that's a nice one. I don't know what size it is, but it's a nice fish. It's fun with the ultralight too. There we got one. I don't know what it is, but it's a fish. There's a gill. Good. There we go. Let her go in. There we got a bass. Ooh. There we go. Don't you know? Yeah, I know it. There we got one. There we got one. Gotten bigger ones today though.